kitty in our backyard. Come here, kitty. This is our neighbor cat, our neighborhood cat, Oreo. Or at least that's what he call him, because he's white and black. Here, kitty. Come here, sweet kitty. Come here. Come here, you cute fluff ball. Come here. You can do it. Just jump. Come here. Oh, hi, kitty. Hello, kitty. Aw, you're so cute. Aw. Don't mess around in there too much. Bye, kitty. I gotta go inside. My feet are freezing. I'm not wearing any shoes. Anyways, watch out for snakes. Oh, wait, are you gonna come back around? My feet are freezing, but okay. Yeah, come on. You're so cute. I'm gonna go inside now. Bye, kitty. Stay safe. Oh, wait, are you gonna come out? Come here. Come here. Come here, my feet are freezing. Come here, kitty. Come here. Come here, kitty. Come here. Come here. Come here, kitty. You're a good kitty. My feet are freezing. One sec, let me go get some shoes. I'll be back. I'll be right back.
That's funny, because a lot of people on this planet aren't. In fact, there's a lot of people who haven't really bad. How does that make you feel? Are you proud? Are you still feeling good? What is wrong with you? Give them money! Give us money so we can give it to them! Do it now! Get off your couch and do it! Do it now!
Oh, hi, kitty. Dad, come out here. The kitty's here. Hi, kitty. Hello. Oh, hi. You're a sweet kitty now, aren't you? Aw, you're so nice. Oh, do you want me to pet your belly? No? Okay, sorry. You're a good kitty. You're a good kitty. Oh, yes, you are. You're a good kitty. Can I pet you? Alright, kitty, stay safe. I'm gonna go now. Looks like you should too. Bye. I'm going to go inside now.